Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Driver made mistake and did illegal lane change which caused an accident. Luckily nobody got injured.
No, I got in a car accident!
After almost creating big mess, this driver got served instant justice.
You know. Let's say no. Just so we have that in our head. Excuse you. Stay in your lane.
What the?
Oh my god. Is that person okay?
Whoa, oh my lord, what the f is that?
Kia driver drifted in other lane and sideswiped vehicle.
Someone's drunk.
Uh-oh, honey, it's road rage. It's road rage. Get away. Get away.
Hold on. Just stopping to make sure everyone's...
No, he looks pissed.
Yeah, because he just hit his brand new Bronco.
I don't want to be in the line of gunfire, honey.
Debris on road almost caused multiple accidents.
Prices just fall. Say they come off another 3% this year. I don't know, just pick numbers. Yeah, idiot. By the time that happens.
SUV driver wasn't paying attention and failed to brake in time.
I, for one, am impressed.
What the f? No. What the f is happening?
Green light, you dumb Christ, dude.
Jesus, man. He's gonna walk to the car? Like, that's a zombie right there.
Wow! Oh my gosh!
Check out this driver's reaction while he was almost sideswiped.
What the heck was that? It was an air mattress.
Red light runner made an accident.
Into the call now, so you got to try and get yourself out of the friend zone.
Okay, I'm going to try my hardest.
Reverse yourself up and give him a call. Good luck, Kirsten. Here we go.
Thank you. It's ringing.
SUV driver tried to skip traffic, but it definitely costed him. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.